No one knows what the future holds. It's unknown, a journey, and a mystery. Unless you're working on creating that future. And we have been creating that future. We started with SuperTruck I, a vehicle that showed the world what the future of trucking could be. A vehicle that changed the way we looked at technology and design, and how we can achieve greater fuel efficiency through engineering and creative thinking. And we've continued the journey, continued shaping the future with SuperTruck II, a vehicle that builds on the accomplishments of the first SuperTruck, taking the unmatched achievements of the first truck and surpassing them, with greater aerodynamics and design, greater efficiency, and greater technology to meet the needs of our customers today and in the future. A future that will be shaped even more with the development of SuperTruck III, meeting challenges, going farther, improving freight efficiency, leading our customers to success. The challenge. The challenge to push beyond accepted standards. The challenge to evolve the past into a more efficient future. To redefine the boundary between vision and reality. To imagine a truck with innovative technologies so advanced that the standard changes. To design a truck to keep leading the industry. To engineer a truck that can go even farther on a drop of fuel. To build a truck that actually does all of it. That's what drives us. And it's what drove this. The Freightliner SuperTruck II, created out of the challenge to make a truck with more than double the freight efficiency. It's our most aerodynamic truck and most efficient powertrain we've ever built. Its innovations deliver on the promise of tomorrow and on meeting the needs our customers share with us, because what we do is done with our customers in mind. It's a project that combines our most advanced design, our most advanced engineering and technology, and our most advanced aerodynamics, to not just meet the goals of the SuperTruck II challenge, but to exceed them and prove it over a journey of thousands of miles, for today rather than tomorrow. Going farther, improving freight efficiency, leading our customers to success. This is what drives us. And what drives us builds what drives you.
SuperTruck II is all about improving efficiency through innovation. We focused on the core areas, including engine efficiencies, tires and rolling resistance, as well as energy management. The goal that gets set on the program is really aggressive. 100% freight efficiency improvement is not easy.
The way that we came together for SuperTruck II as a team was we learned what the project is, what's going on here, what's the scope, what's the mission.
In SuperTruck II, we were able to overachieve in aerodynamics. We got 12% improvement over our SuperTruck I. Part of the input from engineering is really looking at what can we do to make sure that these shapes are really aerodynamic and perform very, very well.
Initially, we decided that the best way to make this perform was to get the air to flow around the truck. So we focused a lot on the continuity of airflow through here, as well as down in the bumper through this air duct.
Another important feature of aerodynamics is really our mirror cam. And so we wanted to make sure that as the air is attached to the chassis and to the body, it's not disrupted by mirrors.
Traditionally, we think of these areas as having to make compromises, but in this case, we decided, no, we're not going to make a compromise in either area, and we ended up with a product that achieved both great aesthetics as well as great aerodynamic efficiency.
SuperTruck II drivetrain is unique, and it brings together the entire engine, transmission, and axle. And that recipe continues to evolve for the customer benefit in terms of fuel efficiency. Bringing down engine speeds means less friction, less breathing parasitics, and we get to a 5.7% fuel efficiency advantage over SuperTruck I. That's a huge step for every customer out there.
In this program, we looked at several technologies that improve driver safety while saving fuel. And one of those is the mirror cam system.
We spent a lot of time making sure that it is performing very well, not only in the dry weather, but also in the wind and in the rain. One other aspect of driver comfort and driver safety is really the electronic air conditioning system. We've taken it off the engine. There's no change in the speed of the compressor, and we're also able to maintain temperatures no matter what the speed, no matter what the conditions are.
With the systems that we made active, including the active ride height, the dynamic load shift, we made sure that those systems wouldn't interfere with driver operation.
Seeing the whole team come together, building something that was beyond probably what we all thought of, from the exterior to the engine, integrating that all together and seeing it for the first time when the vehicle started, ran down the road, that was fantastic.
Fuel is the second biggest expense of any fleet. So to help our customers, we needed to make sure the SuperTruck II found ways to reduce that expense. At the heart of the SuperTruck II is a Detroit DD13 engine, updated to optimize combustion, fuel delivery and timing for greater fuel efficiency, and more torque at lower RPMs. To further boost torque, we reduced engine parasitics and added two-stage turbocharging to increase airflow at low speeds. We then paired the engine to a new Detroit efficient automated manual transmission, featuring a reduced drag overdrive to maximize downspeeding without losing pulling power. We also created EcoSail, which shuts the engine off when not needed, like when traveling downhill, and sails with zero fuel burn until the engine is needed again. The result is a 5.7% reduction in fuel consumption over the SuperTruck I. It's all technology that could, one day, result in equally impressive numbers for our customers. SuperTruck II represents more than just meeting goals for the future. It's about creating features and technologies that can help make our customers more successful. And to develop a truck that more than doubles freight efficiency, overcoming aerodynamic drag was the biggest challenge. The result is both a work of engineering and a work of art. You can see it in the shape of the hood, the bumper and bumper duct, and the mirrorless camera system. We created an active side extender and roof spoiler system that closes the trailer gap to 4 inches at highway speeds, and a dynamic ride height system that lowers the truck to just inches off the ground at speed. Combined with advancements in trailer aerodynamics, we reduced aerodynamic drag by 12% compared to SuperTruck I. SuperTruck II has a lot of exciting innovations that can help our customers be even more successful. Like tires that significantly reduce rolling resistance are key factors to building a truck that maximizes its freight efficiency. Lowering the friction on the road means less fuel is needed to maintain speed. So we worked with Michelin to develop tires that reduce tractor rolling resistance 12% over SuperTruck I. Of course, that wasn't enough. We also created adaptive tandem axles that actively shift from 6x4 mode into 6x2 at highway speeds, and dynamic load shift that automatically shifts some of the load weight from the drive tire to the tag axle, taking greater advantage of the tag tire low rolling resistance. SuperTruck II steps into the future with a completely new approach to energy efficiency, safety, and driver comfort. A new 48, 12-volt electrical system is designed to deliver 12-volt power for standard cab items, such as lighting, modules, and the instrument cluster, while also powering 48-volt systems. State-of-the-art components, including the electric power steering pump, the electric air conditioning compressor that can operate even while the engine is off, and a 48-volt starter for shorter and smoother starting, all come together to reduce engine drag, improve efficiency, and increase performance. You'll also find an integrated mirror camera system that expands the field of view compared to traditional mirrors. Smaller in profile to reduce drag, the cameras provide improved visibility at night and in poor weather conditions, and reduce blind spot areas for increased safety and reduced driver fatigue. This is technology created to, one day soon, benefit all of our customers. After all, your success is what drives us, and what drives us builds what drives you.